Hey there, it's Jen with Sentimental Wood Art. Now, over the next couple of weeks, I am going to be getting into Halloween quite a bit. This time of year just gives me the opportunity to get goofy and really creative and have lots of fun. So the next few videos that you're going to see from me are going to be Halloween themed and a little bit silly because I'm getting my Halloween geek on. But come join me for the fun. Now, as you can see, I've got Halloween on the brain already. I've already started to sneakily decorate inside because I just love Halloween. I have so much stuff over the years. I love that people give me gifts that represent Halloween. I've gotten a lot of this stuff from people who know how much I love Halloween. And my neighbor makes these fabulous cards that I absolutely love. Now, after going through all of my decorations, I discovered I have this old tablecloth that I got from the dollar store to put over a table when I had an outdoor party at one point. I have these chains, this little skeleton head, and some cheesecloth. I'm going to try and figure out how to make the Grim Reaper out of this. It may end up just being a ghoul, but I might be able to do something with just these random pieces that were like $1 a piece. I found online this website called Hammers and High Heels, I believe. I'll put the link in the description. She just took a coat hanger and then drilled a hole in the bottom of her skeleton, put that on the coat hanger, and then wrapped the cloth around the coat hanger. I'm going to see how that looks. Alright, that's a dry fit option. That kind of isn't really doing it for me. I'm going to need to figure out something else. I think I have a black cloth see-through that might work, but I also feel like it looks like he's on a coat hanger. I need to figure out how to bulk him up a little bit. Alright, so I have these weird packing materials that I've never been able to find use for, so I'm going to try and bulk up my Ghoul or Grim Reaper with these guys, see what it looks like. Here's a dry fitting of this. It's a little ghoulish. Still needs some work. Keep working at it. This is actually coming along pretty well. So I discovered the hanger that I was using didn't really work so well. So what I did was this jaw detaches from his head, and I was able to jerry-rig a hanger through there. And then I bulked him up a little bit, added some chains. I still have some skeleton arms that I got to figure out how to attach to him. But we're getting there. When I got stuck on the first hanger I was using, I bought this other ghosty ghoul thing. Max Cat's not sure what she thinks of that. To do a comparison to see if I could figure out where I was getting stuck, and the arms is where I'm stuck. Not sure I quite like that version. My guy, even without the arms, I really am liking quite a bit. But there you go. Trick or treat. I've got my Ghoul ready to go.